What's good? Hey guys, I know I was supposed to document Treefort, the event I went to, but I was having too much fun and other stuff. So let's get down to it. Here's what's pissing me off today. People calling me white. What the fuck? Am I supposed to act like a motherfucker out of a Tyler Perry movie? Yo, I'm a baby daddy. I have to do a fucking drive-by and shit. Pop, pop, pop. No, that's fucking stupid. Why would I act like that? I don't even act like that in public. I act like myself. If I act proper and not with slang or shit like that, that's just me. I'm not trying to be anything I'm not. I'm going to remain black. See this? See this? I'm not gonna fucking change color. I'm still gonna be black at the end of the day. Why the fuck do people label like that? I mean, I know media is a part of it. They show, African Americans being ghetto or don't have jobs on TV, and white people having jobs and being successful, but that's not always the case. It's both sides. Everybody has struggles. Not everybody has a picture perfect life, or not everybody's fucking ghetto. I am not going to fucking change. I'm gonna be me, Lenene, and talk the way I wanna fucking talk. Why in our society do we have to label others? But my point is, don't label others. Everybody's different and special in their own way. Don't try to make someone feel inadequate for how they act. Be respectful. My question to you would be, what kind of stereotype pisses you off? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like, and if you just came to this channel, please subscribe. I'm a funny ass black ranter and I'm gonna leave you at that, all right? I'm enjoying the rest of my spring break.